figured that it would be best to see this well on a screen that is dark. And the room is dark, so the screen will be bright. But Michael wanted to start this way, and then I'm going to stop talking and let him talk. He wanted to start this way because he wanted to show you how we can use the computer and the smartboard to make something very big become smaller and more zoomed in. I know that you all use technology all the time. This is right. So you're going to pick this stuff up and you're going to think it's very interesting. So Michael, I'm going to stop talking, and as soon as you're ready, you may begin. Okay?
I am Michael Shane, and I'm going to show you some information about tornadoes. Tornadoes are not always the same. Tornadoes are weak, strong, or violent. 79% are weak.
What's that mean, Michael?
That means that they're, like, most of the time, they're weak tornadoes. 20% are strong, and only 1% are violent. A violent tornado is the rarest and most violent. Violent tornadoes can destroy homes, farms, or hotels.
It looked like this tornado.
Oh my God. Oh, but I'm trying to stay on it.
Looks like it's close to a farm, maybe. See how large that is?
Dad is going to hit their house.
Hit the pause button. Do you want to tell them anything about that tornado?
Do you see why this tornado is shaped like an elephant's trunk?
Because like they don't want to see what the tornado looks like.
Anybody else? Looking at that, do you know why it might be described as an elephant's trunk? Look closely.
Jake.
It's so big.
That's a start.
Awesome. Because we're very strong.
That's interesting. Anybody else?
Alexander. Because it's gray.
That's interesting too. Let's hit the play button. Let's watch it a little bit more. Keep thinking about that. Why is it like an elephant's trunk?
Oh my God.
Some parts are flying off of it right now.
We're going to have to get south in a hurry, but I'm trying to stay on it.
What shape is an elephant's
Dad
trunk?
is going to hit their house.
It's kind of round, right? Ready?
A tornado is very fast, so if this were real, this wind is going to 40 miles per hour. But inside the eye, the wind is moving 300 miles per hour.
Good. That was
Right
good.
now it's a weak one, right? It'll turn into a strong one in a minute.
Like most tornadoes, this one was weak.
And now learning about tornadoes, I learned that a long time ago, people thought that there was a man who controlled the wind. Do you think there is really a man or God who controls the wind? Zach, you're correct.
Probably not, huh?
Alexander's Greek, so that's why I know as soon as we said Greek, I knew she would come around with that.
Michael will tell you a little bit more. Go ahead, Michael.
Aeolus was the Greek god who controlled the wind. Aeolus lived in the cave that had 8 doors, and when he wanted to blow, he rolled a rock away from one of the doors. Here's how a tornado forms. First, cool and warm, dry air meet together high up in the sky. Another layer is at the bottom. This layer is warm, moist air. The warm, moist air wants to move up to the top, but the cold air and the warm, dry air keep pushing the warm, moist air down until they cannot pull it more. The warm, moist
Michael drew that picture.
Warm and cool air come together to create the funnel cloud. This funnel cloud is called a vortex. Multi-vortex tornadoes have more than one vortex cause more destruction than regular tornadoes. Do you see more than one vortex here? Do you think this tornado will cause a lot of damage?
How many do you see? How many vortices? Does anybody see 3? I was trying to round them apart. I can't remember this one had 2 or 3 vortices. It's like vertex, vertices, vortices. Very powerful. Cause a lot of damage.
Zach and Michael. What?
Hi everybody, this is Michael, and I'm going to show you how the spiral looks like a tornado.
There it goes.
It is like a tornado because it has the eye like a tornado, and it also has a vortex, which is the tornado. That's the eye over there, and the vortex is the funnel.
That's smart.
So does that look like something you've seen before?
A water spout is a kind of vortex. It forms in a different place because it is made from water.
What's a tornado made of? If it's not made of water?
It's made from debris.
Yeah, debris and wind. Do you think this is a tornado, kiddos? But it's like a tornado.
Do you have any more questions?
I want to ask Michael.
How do they come, like, how,
Think it through. You'll think
Yeah,
it through.
how do they come? I mean, the tornadoes?
yeah,
Keep going. Say it again then.
like, how did they come down to turn into a tornado?
Do you want to go through your picture again to help me with that?
The cold air and the warm, dry air are the first ones to meet. Then another layer was formed. The layer was warm air moist.
Go ahead and point. Go up closer to your picture to show them. You want me to lower it? Go ahead. Point down. Keep doing it. All right, good. So, what happens with that warm, moist air at the bottom then, Michael?
Cold air and the warm dry air, since they're really high up in the sky, they can push the warm air moist until they cannot hold it.
And then where is that warm, moist air? How does it move? Can you point to the picture to show them how it moves? How does that warm, heavy, moist air move to form the tornado?
It just gets like really heavy, and then since it can keep pushing it down until it gets too heavy, it can't have too much pressure because it will keep doing that. So instead, it will just force out.
So use your finger, it shows the direction that it starts to move, that moist air.
It comes from here and it goes all the way.
So what you're asking is, the tornado starts actually down at the ground and pushes its way up high into those other layers Michael was telling you. Good question.
How does a tornado, how does a tornado get, how is a tornado sprung?
strong one strong and a weak one weak?
Because a weak one, they're just like, sometimes there's not a lot of pressure in there, so it's because there's not a lot of it. So sometimes it mostly happens a little bit because usually it's really rare because sometimes it's like really cold or really hot, but you can't depend on it. It's really
When he was talking about that pressure thing, that warm air, warm wet air, if enough pressure doesn't build up, the strong tornadoes don't start, just like he's explaining. Good question.
How does it make all the buildings like tip over or make it go down?
Now, which part is important for the destruction?
inside the eye.
Okay, tell him about it.
Because inside the eye is 300 miles per hour, so that's how fast it spins. So that's how much debris it collects.
So which part of the tornado is going to cause the destruction, Colby?
The middle.
That's right, and you called that the vortex. And what other word did he use to describe that part of the storm? Do you remember, Ryder?
Inside the eye.
Inside the eye. So where does damage really happen?
Inside the eye.
Two more, Mrs. O'Brien, maybe
Two
three?
more works, yeah, pretty even.
Okay, good.
Pass. How does a tornado get? How do they get so big?
Which part of your presentation could we point to for that? How do they get so big?
Because I have heard on the news, some of them are very wide or very large, and some are very small. So how would that happen?
Because it depends how much the cold air and the warm air have. So it depends how so it means how wide it is. So then it will form just in the right place and become a tornado.
Okay. Do you want to tap on your drawing one more time? That's the gray rectangle up there. There you go. Pull it down. There you go. Good. So I think Michael's right on again, Addison. It depends on how much pressure from those three layers of air Michael described. It becomes very large if so much moist air builds up and builds up and builds up and builds up. The more heavy that gets, the more powerful the storm.
Well, can we give somebody, I know Colby's had 2 chances already. I hate to take a chance away from Colby. I'll answer your question a little bit later,
Colby
okay?
loves, yeah, he loves
Colby
this topic.
loves to find most information out.
Get someone else who hasn't asked yet.
How do you know which tornado is coming?
Good question.
Oof.
You can know where a tornado is coming because the answer is that it comes in the east-western United States. And that is because if a place is really hot like Texas, it is really likely to become a tornado.
Very good. Do you understand what he's saying? It's the Midwestern. Good.
And you know, Mr. B, we are going to be learning about weather coming up very quickly. So some of the questions that you have today, we will be answering when we do our weather unit coming up pretty soon.
How long does a tornado last?
You actually wrote this down in your notes. Do you remember?
It lasts in minutes and hours, but other storms last in days, like a hurricane, because they're so strong. A tornado is like the second most powerful, so it will only last for a little bit of time because sometimes the warm, moist air doesn't have so much air, so this mixes up in really quick.
minutes.
So was it minutes or hours? Which one? You have it. Yeah, they're mostly short. I'm glad you remembered that. Great. Good work. Well, one more. Last question.
Ellie?
You basically just answered that. Tell her again. It's okay.
It's just like how much, it's just like how long the tornado is. It's just like, it's like stable right there. So it can just go there. But sometimes, since there's so much pressure, it starts to move.
So how long does it stay there?
How long time?
Not a lot. Just a few minutes, I think. It's a very good question. I'm proud of you all for asking such good questions. And you were prepared to answer.
Yes, I'm proud of Michael too. What do we say to Michael?